this review, we'll be discussing in detail about the best under-desk treadmills available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best under-desk treadmills, the list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide present Top 6 Best Under-Desk Treadmills. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 6. Rhythm Fun Folding Running Treadmill Under Desk. Features: under desk or standing treadmill, up to 7.5 mph maximum speed, 7-layer anti-skid abrasion resistant surface air shock reduction technology, 2-in-1 fitness models treadmill, hi-fi Bluetooth speaker, smart workout app and remote controller, 3 kinds easy operate the way safety lock. Number 5. Go Plus Under Desk Treadmill. Features: small and compact size, ideal for a treadmill desk, wireless remote control, noise reduction features, 2-in-built programs, wide walking platform, touchscreen LCD display, heavy duty construction and widening running platform, shock absorption design. Number 4. Rhythm Fun Treadmill Under Desk. Features: extremely lightweight and portable, very quiet running motor, affordable and competitively priced, does not require assembly, comfortable walking on in socks or sleepers, cushion deck, prevents joint or knee damage, strong 1.5 HP DC motor, 7-level elastic running platform, simple but not common LED display, smart workout app, auto oiling system. Number 3. Urevo 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill. Features: plenty of storage option, intelligent speed control options, optional hydraulic handrail, smart and interactive control, lightweight and compact, double speed option with handrail, widened belt and 265 lbs weight capacity, 2.5 HP horsepower motor. Number 2. G-Max 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill. Features: 2.25 HP motor, 40 inches long into 16 inches wide belt, Bluetooth speaker and remote control, no assembly required. Wheels on the front make it easy to move, available in black, white, silver, gold, green, navy and red. 74 lbs of total weight, shock absorption system, accommodates users up to 265 lbs. Number 1. Lifespan TR1200DT3 Under Desk Treadmill. Features: wider speed range than others from 0.4 to 4 mph, advanced IntelliGuard and IntelliStep features, 6 shock absorbers to protect your joint, Bluetooth connectivity for syncing to ActiveTrack app, key for safe emergency stops, generous weight capacity of 350 lbs. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . . 。 . . 。 。 . . 。 。 . . 。 。 . . . 。 .
. If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.